Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. My daughter has recently stepped up her cooking and baking skills, and the poor thing has been on me for about 6 months about getting her an immersion blender. Well, she finally got one, and oh, the things she has made. I'm thinking about hiding it away because my waistline is not real happy with her cooking skills. But this beautiful immersion blender from FRESKO has been her best friend in the kitchen. It has 12 speeds and a turbo mode, so it's able to blend everything that she's thrown at it. It's made with 4 stainless steel blades that are perfect for making smoothies with frozen fruit and ice. We have been able to make pureed soups by placing the immersion blender right on the stove, but it also comes with a 700 milliliter beaker that's perfect for making smoothies. One of her favorite recipes to make is salsa, and it has been a game changer when it comes to blending all those vegetables. I also love that cleanup is a breeze. The blade is detachable from the motor, and I simply hand wash it in my sink, and everything packs up very nicely and doesn't take up much space. I also love that it's not terribly loud. So if you're in the market for a durable, powerful, and affordable immersion blender for your kitchen, I highly recommend this immersion blender from FRESKO. And that's my point of view.